So I made another polytope. Anyway, I forget what this one is, but you can embed them in and trap them into itself. So of course, this 3D sphere, the 3D tetrahedron, the 3D cube, the 3D. I have no idea. Dodecahedron. Anyway, so yeah, it's basically trapping all this shit inside, and it gets larger and larger and larger and larger. And this is a exercise in surface area where they're equivalent surface area. However, the volume starts to, well, I forget what the golden ratio is exactly for it, but yeah, it follows that. Anyway, I didn't have enough pieces to make an actual big enough so it can flop around thing. So it's kind of jammed in there. It's actually breaking a few rules, kind of like, some other things I know. But doesn't that look cool? So, all those wire mesh things that you see. Let's see if we can get it to stand up. Okay, I gotta put the magnet base back as much as possible. Gravitationally, this shape is pretty stable. It's just balancing the field lines is a pain in the butt. This literally is what nested wire meshes look like. If you couldn't ever visualize it before, you can build a model of it by following the same rules. If you can't virtually, build it physically. And take your time looking and observing the model and describing it with equations. That's what professionals do. It suffices for them, it should suffice for you. I don't go recommending optics to any amateurs because you can easily go blind. There we go, found it. It took forever. So it's not exactly as I wanted because I had to interlock it. So, oh shit. Well, I hope it got it on camera, but I interlocked it. So I had intersecting objects, which means what? If you can't figure that one out, intersecting objects means what? I created an object that exists as both a solid and a wave, following the same rules as electromagnetics. Ta-da! So hard to do.